How to remove a credit card from Autofill on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find Safari and tap on it. On the Safari settings page, scroll down to the General section and tap on Autofill. The Autofill screen has several options. To simply stop Safari from suggesting saved credit cards, turn off the credit cards toggle switch. To view and delete specific cards, tap on the Saved Credit Cards option. This will open a list of all the credit cards you have saved in Safari. You can either temporarily disable the credit card autofill feature or permanently remove specific saved cards from your iPhone. Following these steps, you can remove a credit card from autofill on an iPhone.